The Chief Minister's E-Championship Conclave 2021 had taken place at the State Convention Centre in Shillong on the 9th of August 2021. The function also saw the graduation of the cohort first batch 2020 of prime entrepreneurs and the onboarding of the fresh batch of cohort 2, as well as the launch of the prime annual booklet and the prime ID funding, which is a portal for entrepreneurship. Speaking during the occasion, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, CONRAD SANGMA, congratulated the first batch of prime graduates who had gone through a year's incubation and mentoring and who are currently ready to showcase their skills through new ventures. For entrepreneurs of cohort 2 who were onboarded on the same day, the government had issued a cheque amount of Rs 1 lakh each to the first 25 of them and Rs 50,000 for the next 25 entrepreneurs of the same batch. Further, CONRAD SANGMA expressed satisfaction at the positive testimonials of graduated entrepreneurs and at the overwhelming response of over 1,600 fresh applicants to the program. SANGMA also informed of the successfully incubated 100 entrepreneurs through the program of Prime.
We realized that there was a very strong need to provide a proper ecosystem and to be able to provide a proper environment for entrepreneurship in the state and in the region of the Northeast as a whole. And this, I must say, started a very long time back. And as we all know, that different events in our lives and different situations that we face generally shape the way we think. So I must first of all congratulate Dr. Vijay and his team that have been the key people to actually structure it. So we have the idea, we know what we want to do, but as you all know, politicians are really good at talking and giving great ideas, but when it comes down to really working on details, we're not that good at it. So that's what happened this time too. So we had the idea, I knew what I wanted to do, but how to do it, how to structure it, it is the team of the Prime, Dr. Vijay, IIM, and all the others that actually gave shape to this entire idea of bringing a platform for entrepreneurship in this entire state of ours. And no matter what you do in life, forget the other P's like paisa, or other P's like position, or other P's like people. Just remember one simple P that I always tell people, is that you must have the purpose and the passion. Environmental entrepreneurs also coming into the system. I think there's going to be a huge demand and a huge need for this, and we will require entrepreneurs, especially our environmental entrepreneurs, to be working with the government to be able to address these issues in a very aggressive way. Government cannot do it. Government can only facilitate the process. It is the entrepreneurs, like in everything else, it is the entrepreneurs that will have to take the lead and move things forward, and government will be the catalyst or will be the supporting agency that will ensure that we get all the support to be able to do this.
Media Plus was able to speak with a few Prime graduates who narrated their stories of success as entrepreneurs of the state. Here's what they had to say.
Gilaseng ya kanika kamay habasongkai hausnem hajar khat khandai te menta arsnem ngi hakajing ya lenti jongi ngi akandu kum ka tim hi ngi akandu sibun ki jing bat ngi henry ngi sngongu pat ya kanika prime hub ya ka bakalala ya ka ban wanra ka ayangi ya kanika recognition mo khnang banginang la ban ya sakmat hakanika business ka jongi te akaju ka poro ngakwa ya ka ban ai kubele ya ka team hi baro ka we ya ka team kamay habasongkai nadu ki nong ri khnyang ki nong thirksai bat ki nong than ki jongi ya ka ba ki ru ki la treitom klem da ka jing ya treitom klem da ka jing ya treilang ka jongki ngin non la ban poi hadu kan ni thong hakabaning kong hingi kiwan na kanika namar kilayo sngo kilayo I tharaya ki kam ki jongi ti kiwan leng baka office jong ka besin Tena besen kiwan ya kaban penselur yang ngi ki ong pi sa apply ya kanika champion mo apply ya kan ya tikila penyarap ru yang ngi ya kabangin apply yang ila tep ya ki form ki jongi te hadian kata pan kum kan ka naka liang jong ka ya sya rendiang gila sya select ha kanika top 100
ngi kumbang ong epin ma bangi tre phangama riang dai ngi i kan ki jabo kini ki jaban ki bakan top na ki plus to ki waste kan ki bangila ban convert into world lan ngila ban penmi pisaru hi ha ki wei ki ri ha ki wei ki jaka ki wei ki jela ki breu mentah ki miu i shu ya ki jabo kum ki jabo ki yu i ya kine kum ka pisah te hang ne ru ha ka state jongi kala don kam ban pen bangi ngin don kata ka jingmut jeng perkhat pi ngila e pule ngila anang start ngil de ban perkhat no bakan ne une ubilor kane plastik katai ka kot kine kim dai ban sulai sanala ban penjabo ek memoriang kine ki de ban kelalong kapisa ke tingi ngi design ke ngi pha ko ke design syaka ngakan mau ning ko ngi pha design sepo West Castle District sepo DC office tenang tu ki i kabiang tekila ai jingmut yangi ban ya compete hakane kumang hakini snam la ada ban yo compete kadon kane competition hakane kan tingi pha tak design jongi kumno ban treat ya ki wes kumno ban convert ya ki wes ya ki ya ban penkala ya kita ki jabo ki jaban bandi biang ban penbaha biang ban recycle biang ni sena kata design kata design ka biang ang takin ki select ini
kenangut ba itu lang baro kenangut bayo ay
man la sunam kinjit san phongot mo kumang ong epi nging de ke first batch te ha utai usnam kijet arpusan ngut kita ki top 25 arpusan ngut ki top kisim arpusan ngut kan